Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Fold Factory, and this is a special edition of Fold of the Week. Well, next week is the Printing United show in Dallas. Very exciting. And I wanted to share a special project with you. I was actually part of the direct mail strategy team for the marketing efforts before the show, the drive for registration. And so we created several pieces, but our capstone piece that really pushed the boundaries of print technology was this piece. And so I wanted to share it with you, tell you about kind of our dream team of participants on this, and show you the format's really cool. It has a lot of personalization in here as well. So really, really cool. So this was a self-mailing piece. Here's the mailing panel on the back, fold at the bottom. It's got personalization on the front. This is a sample, so it says sample. We're looking forward to seeing you in Dallas, but that would say Trish, for example. When you open it up, there's actually a custom map here. It says you're only 3.5 hours from the largest printing expo in North America. Register now. And it has a flight map, basically. And so this is a technology called locr MAPS. And they worked with the NAPCO Media team, and NAPCO sent a list, and then locr MAPS sent back 80,000 personalized maps. So anybody within 100 miles driving distance got a driving map to the show, and anyone else got a flight map. And the point was to kind of visualize for everyone that no one was more than 3.5 hours flight distance from the show in the US. So really cool. So those were personalized as well. This is a centered, this actually is a wrapped, centered, stepped accordion. So follow me on this. So this is a centered stepped accordion. So it has a centered format. The shortest panel's in the center. And then these panels basically taper out. So they go a little bit longer, a little bit longer, a little bit longer. And the result is you end up with tabbed content. So that's how they treated the layout: location, education, experience, events, opening night parties. So you could open up these tabbed panels to get that information. In the education area, they were also able to personalize the content even further with sessions that really related to that individual's categories that they were interested in. So there was also additional personalization here as well to create relevance, of course. And so the reason this is a wrapped accordion, wrapped centered stepped accordion, is that we've got a wrapped cover, and that's what makes it self-mailing, right? You need that closed edge right here. So you get the wrap and you get that really nice reveal. You can see everybody loves an accordion. It's a really nice reveal. And it also creates these very nice spreads with content in them. So as I said, we really pushed technology and used some really cool techniques. So this was printed on a Canon ProStream 1000 high efficiency inkjet press. This was printed on sterling 7-point gloss cover and finished by machine on an MBO line. So just a ton of strategy and creativity, and this piece is definitely meeting its goals as well. So that's the exciting part, using technology and print to meet those goals. So very exciting. I hope you like this very special edition of Fold of the Week, and I hope to see you at Printing United. That's your 60-second super cool Fold of the Week, wrapped, centered, stepped accordion self-mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.